Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my wellness planner, which is exotic borders, and it is the week of June 9th through the 15th. I did redate it with bigger numbers. I gave a couple pages from my planner to someone, and as I did that, obviously I have so many other planners that I can use, so it wasn't a big deal. I just needed to redate them. Anyway, if this is your first time joining, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you guys are here. I have pulled so many stickers from Planet Derby, and all of them are kind of beachy and fun. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna do like a beach spread in the middle of my wellness. And I know it's still June and it's technically not fully summer yet, but it's been beautiful and hot and I love it. So I'm gonna do my little bullet points, like the tiniest ones possible. And on the top, I'm gonna track breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. I like doing that. It helps me kind of stabilize my life and know what I have been doing, eating, how I'm feeling, sleeping, and so on. So on the bottom, I do 5. So it's my medicine, my mood, my sleep, my workout, and my steps. So that's what I've been tracking. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. This plan with me should be super quick because I never do anything super elaborate, since this setup really never changes. The only thing that changes are the stickers and like the information in here, but generally the actual like part of the structure is the same. So if you do a wellness spread, let me know what you guys do. I'm always super curious. Eventually, I think I'm just gonna print like the stats for the boxes and like the breakfast, lunch, and dinner stickers. I don't know, eventually, possibly. But I do like my little dots and like hand-drawn stuff. So we shall see. Because like I said, I don't know. I enjoy both. I do like admire all of these people who have a really elaborate, beautiful like stats in their planners. I have been doing that by hand. So yeah, I shall see what I want to like proceed with as far as that goes. If you guys have any like things that you would like to see me tracking, let me know down below. I am always up for like seeing what other people track and what's useful. So I do not track my water intake because I suck. Like when it comes to water, I don't think I'll ever be drinking enough according to standards. But I have spoke to several like physicians, and they said that you just need to drink when you're thirsty. As long as you're not dehydrated, you're probably fine. So I don't know. Like I don't know. Everybody has such a conflicting information when it comes to hydration that I'm not sure. Obviously, drinking more is probably better, but I don't know. Okay. I just pulled out the black and white data from Mojo Jojo Plans. I'm gonna find June, but I want to find like this very delicate June. I don't want this huge one. I don't need this huge. Like I can see just fine. Um, so let's pull one of those like this, where it's like beautiful and um handwritten and just nice. So I'm gonna put that in a corner, and then we're gonna continue with the stickers, and then there'll be not much to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep adding these. I think they're, like I said, I think they're so fun. Planet Darby does such a good job drawing her own stickers. I am always so impressed with people who can do that because clearly stick figures here, you guys. That's where kind of I land on the drawing scale. So not very good, but at the same time, I can admire and appreciate people who can. So let's go ahead and add some flip-flops and some other things. I do love shoes. I do love flip-flops. I do love the summer. So I'm gonna add, look how cute these are. Like, I need them in my life. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that and that. And I have a lot of stickers, so I was very fortunate to be on a PR team for Darby, and I have received so many like printable stickers for free. So I am very, very fortunate, but I highly encourage you to check out her shop on Etsy. Her stickers are very, very affordable. So, and they are like printable. And if you don't have a cutting machine, you can fussy cut them, no problem. Just remember that. Okay, I'm gonna add these glasses, maybe like one more set of glasses, and I'm gonna call it a day because I don't need much more in this spread, like I said. Maybe down the line, when I see like how much I want to write in here, I might add like beach waves or something on the bottom, but for right now, this is how it's going to be. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this back into my planner. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this very quick video, and I'll see you guys soon for another Plan With Me. Thanks for joining me today, and have a great day. Bye!